Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save column chart as a PDF in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have data, and here you can see I already created column chart. To print a column chart, simply click on the chart and make sure it's properly selected. After that, press the Ctrl P to print preview. Okay, you can see here the print preview is open. The column chart is showing in one page. Okay, now I'm going to convert this print copy in PDF. For that, in printer option, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the Microsoft print to PDF. So here the file will convert it in PDF. Okay, print to PDF selected. Then click on the print. That's it. You can see save print output as the dialog box is open. Okay, select the destination where you want to save this PDF. So I select here the desktop. After that, enter the file name. So I enter here the file name, column chart PDF. Okay, then save as type is the default file type selected PDF document. Okay, after that, click on save. Okay, and I just go to the desktop, and here you can see PDF is saved, column chart PDF. Simply double click on it to open the PDF, and here you can see your column chart in PDF. Okay, so this is the way you can save your column chart as a PDF in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.